Hi friends, you all peoples are again welcome in this series of introduction to the pharmaceutical industry. In this episode, we will see the material movement of pharmaceutical manufacturing plant, that is raw material inward to out of finished product. So step by step we will see which sections are involved in this process and how the raw material get converted into the finished product. So as per our previous sessions, we had seen a different department which are involved in the manufacturing process. So as per our previous session, the production planning and control department gives the plan as per the market requirement in coordination with the production. PPC department prepare a plan for manufacturing. So as per plan, production planning and control department gives the requirement to the purchase department to procure a raw material and the things which are related to the manufacturing activity to be procured. So as per the requirement given by the production planning and control department, purchase department procure all the things which are required to be manufacturing activities. So as per the requirement, when the raw material comes in the plant, that raw material means API and excipient. API means active pharmaceutical ingredient. API and excipient when get received at the manufacturing plant, that raw material get received by the warehouse department, that is a store department. At the receiving bay, there is a particular process to receive the raw material. After receiving that raw material in the warehouse department gives the GRN, that is a good receive note to the quality control department for that particular consignment. After getting the GRN from the warehouse, quality department plans for the sampling of that raw material. After completion of the sampling, that sample get analyzed by the quality control department. Up to the analysis of that raw material, that material are stacked in the racks having the status labeling as a under test. After getting analyzed and released by the quality control department, that material get released and labeled as a approved material. That approved material get transferred in the rack of the approved material stock. When that material get released and approved, PPC means production planning and control department issues the PO, that is process order for the particular product for the manufacturing activity along with the batch production and control record. When this batch production and control record, that is we can say it is a batch manufacturing record, when received by the warehouse along with the process order, that all the material which is mentioned in the process order get dispensed by the warehouse department. Dispensing is nothing but a accurate weighing of the raw material, that is API and excipient, as per the batch manufacturing record. That dispensing activity get carried out in the warehouse department. After get dispensing, that material get transferred to the production department. So in production department, there is again verification of this raw material by the production and the quality assurance person. So in production department, there is a first department. In the tablet section or capsule section is a granulation. That material cross-checked material get taken for the process in the granulation section. So prior to start of the process in the granulation department, there is a line clearance process. Means checking and cross-checking of the equipment cleanliness, area cleanliness and the raw material which are required to be manufacturing activity. After getting line clearance, so as per the process, that material get processed in the granulation department, just like as per the technique of the granulation, wet granulation, dry granulation or DC granulation. After completion of the granulation, that granulated material in a single lot or a different lot get blended, get mixed in a blender. That blender have different types, just like an octagonal blender, bean blender, cone blender, etc. The blending requirement of this blending is for uniformity of the batch. After completion of the blending, sample get transferred, sampling process get carried out by the quality assurance person. This sample get transferred to the quality control for the analysis. After completion of the analysis, quality control release this blend for the further process. So next step is, in case of tablet there is a compression and in case of capsule there is a encapsulation. So prior to start, again there is a line clearance for this process by the production as well as the quality assurance person. After completion of the line clearance, with respect to the area, with respect to the machine and with respect to the material, next process gets started on the machine, that is a compression machine or encapsulation machine. All the parameters get set by the operator and get cross-checked by the quality assurance person, production person as well as the quality assurance person. After completion of the compression, if there is a coating process, then that compressed tablet get transferred to the coating department. If there is a no coating process, then this compressed tablet get transferred to the inspection department. In this stage, if there is a coating is not mentioned in the process, then the sample for the finished product get withdrawn at this compression stage. If there is a coating, then this compressed tablet get transferred to the coating department. So in coating also there is a line clearance process prior to start of the operation by the production and the quality assurance person. After completion of the coating, in this coating also there is a various parameters are mentioned in the batch manufacturing record. As per the parameters mentioned in the batch manufacturing record, production operator and officer execute the coating process. After completion of this coating, there is a sampling for the finished product. After completion of this sampling, this coated tablet get transferred to the inspection. In inspection process, the defective tablet gets sorted out and the good tablet get transferred to the packaging department for the packing process. In the packaging department, the raw material means the packing material is also get tested by the quality control department. When that quality control department get release that material, then this will be dispensed for the packaging operation for the particular batch. Again, this dispensed packaging material get cross-checked by the production as well as the quality assurance person for the packaging operation. In packaging operation, there are again two sections, just like in a primary packing and secondary packing. In primary packing, there is a primary packaging get processed on the tablet or capsule, just like in a blister, strip packing or bottle packing. After completion of this primary packing, this primary packed material get transferred to the secondary packing, and at there is a carton packing or shipper packing get processed. After completion of packing, there is also sampling for the stability. If it is recommended, sample for the control sample is also there. During packaging operation also, there are the different packaging in process checks as per the batch manufacturing record that get carried out by the production as well as the quality assurance person. So after completion of this packaging activity, this packed material get transferred to the finished product or finished goods warehouse. That batch manufacturing record get reviewed by the quality assurance person and transfer that packaging, transfer that batch manufacturing record to the quality assurance for the release. When that batch manufacturing record get received by the release department, batch release department, which is also part of the quality assurance, that the people review all this batch manufacturing record for complete manufacturing process along with the in-process checks, results of in-process checks, then COA for the particular step, then COA for the finished product. Also, the peoples are checked for any deviation or incident during entire manufacturing process. After review of this all things, quality assurance department of batch release team get release that batch for the market. So this is the entire process for the manufacturing of tablet or capsule, from raw material to in process to finished product. So along with the batch manufacturing record, all these batch get dispatched to the vendor. Batch manufacturing original record retained with the company or manufacturing plant. Only the scan copy or scan document get transferred to the vendor or as per the regulatory requirement. It is not a mandatory, but as per the regulatory requirement. So this is the total flow of raw material to the finished product of pharmaceutical tablet manufacturing plant. Thank you.